Oh, and everybody, let me tell you, I forgot to tell you the phone number to call us here at Southern Motor Company, 843-277-2983. Always serviced, always detailed, as you can see. Wow, who is this?
Oh, hey guys. Thought now would be a good time to plug Mellow Mushroom right there in Tanger Outlet.
Yeah.
It's actually off Savannah Highway.
Mellow Mushroom.
I just happened to be walking by, so I figured I'd get the video. So it actually still smells so good.
Ooh,
this is my leftovers.
look at that.
Yeah.
Beautiful pizza.
Look at Randy.
And there's Randy.
Randy the Impala.
I love it.
What are you doing, Randy?
As you can see, everybody, what an absolute great place to be. Southern Motor Company. I mean, we got it going on. Look at what we got. You know, this is stamping it in time, folks. So come on down and see us. We're here to help you. Y'all ready for this? Come on, watch the video with me. My name is Chad. I work at Southern Motor Company, and today I'm going to be selling you a Volkswagen Passat TDi SEL. Stay with me. All right, so you're staying with me. We're here today at Southern Motor Company. I mean, look at this beautiful dealership. What an absolutely cool area to come and buy a car at. Come on, let's get out the car and let's go check it out. All right, take a look at it. I mean, come on, everybody. This is, you got it, a Volkswagen Passat SEL TDi. Now, I'm gonna tell you right now, everybody, this has gotta be like the perfect pre-owned car. Let me tell you why. Because first off, it's got like 70,000 miles on it, right? So it's good on the mileage. It's not crazy high, it's not crazy low, it's perfect. Secondly, it's good looking. I mean, you know, everybody down the road seems to be driving SUVs and crossovers and trucks and Jeeps and all that. But still, the sedan has got to be a classy car to drive, a four-door sedan. That's what it's all about. That's what I grew up riding in for the most part, was a four-door car. And the color. Carolina Gamecock fans, we live in Gamecock country down here in Charleston, South Carolina. It's the color. The wheels look good, but really on the real deal here, y'all, it's a Volkswagen Passat. It's made to last. It's got all the room you need for the family. Whether you got the kids in the back, they got air vents to keep them cool. It's got all the trunk space in the world. Whether you're packing up, going off to school, or going golfing for the day, get 2 bags of clubs back there and whatever else you need. So it's got all the space that you could ever want. And did I not say it's good looking? It really is good looking. It is. I love this color with that tan interior. You got these beautiful 18-inch alloy wheels with Continental tires. So I think you get what I'm saying. It's a nice looking car. It's a Volkswagen. It's a Passat. The engine is a 2.0 liter turbocharged diesel motor. There it is. It sounds like a diesel. It's not too loud. It doesn't make any weird smells or anything like that. It's a Volkswagen diesel. And it's a motor that's built to last for many miles and many years. And also, it does pretty darn good on fuel economy. So think about that stuff when you're thinking about the Volkswagen Passat. Also, let me show you a few more things. Anyone, just ask anybody that's ever owned a Volkswagen, and let me tell you, a lot of times when people own Volkswagens, they get kind of stuck with owning Volkswagens. They love them. The whole family ends up buying them, right? You buy them for your sons, your daughters, your mothers. Everybody wants a Volkswagen. There's a reason to that, but they save people's lives. That's correct. You know, many years your boy Chad here on camera worked at the local Volkswagen store in Charleston. Worked at Volkswagen in Hilton Head, South Carolina, also in Jacksonville, Florida, and so many stories of customers that maybe their son or daughter or themselves got into an accident and the car saved their life. So go online and look it up for yourself, the IIHS.com, Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, and watch the crash test ratings, all that stuff. You'll see what I'm talking about. These are really great and safe cars. Now the interior, it's a nice touch of luxury, performance, cleanliness is definitely got going on here, but you got your wood trim, you got your leather and your suede inserts on your seats. That DSG transmission shifts like no other. It's easy to drive. I'm telling you, you're gonna like it. It's got a nice little clock up top there. Got your touchscreen display with navigation, backup camera, Bluetooth, start-stop engine button, cup holders, armrest. It's got it. Did I not mention a sunroof? You got that for those beautiful Charleston low country skies. And again, in the back, plenty of room. If you have kids, you don't have to necessarily trade out of your car and get into another car. Keep it, drive it. You got room for the strollers in the back, the car seats, one over here, one over here. 2 kids, don't stress it. You got enough room in your Passat. Take your time. When you have kids, a lot of money is going to be getting spent on Pampers and diapers and, you know, formulas and just clothing because they're growing out of everything so fast. So keep your car. That's only $12,900. You got a great car payment on it for not very long. Before you know it, you'll have the title to the Passat. And if you ever want to sell it or give it to a family member, you got yourself something great. All right, guys, I hope that right there sold you on the Passat. A lot of people say Volkswagen sell themselves. They absolutely do, but it is nice to have a little help from a guy named Chad talking about it. And that's what I get paid the big bucks to do. So come on down and see me right here at Southern Motor Company. That's right, I'll sell you a car. And you can be a superstar. See you soon.